Hi, I'm Sandy Schroeck, and tulips are always a delight for the holiday season or going into spring. So I just want to show you this oval vase, and this is one that comes in frosted. It also comes in clear. But I've been embracing that oval situation because we see designs being a little bit more elongated, and rather than round, it gives you a little bit different look, and you're able to kind of spread things out. So we're just going to create a simple design on this, and I'm going to use some Israeli ruscus as basing and just cut 2 pieces in half here. I'm taking a look at a place where the normal breaks are. Now these leaves you can save for your body flower pieces, but you can see that I'm just going back and forth and just creating a simple structure to design in. And then I'm going to come in with my tulips. You would remove any foliage that's going to go under the water, but I'm going to start doing that stem grid technique where we come in and do the outside rim of this first. And so we're just going to come in and kind of go back and forth, and we know that tulips continue to grow, so we want to embrace the movement that they will potentially have and how they'll come through. And you can just see how there we formed that outside rim first, then we're going to come in and add into the middle of this composition, just tucking in those last couple, and they'll kind of stand up for you right in the middle. You can hear that I'm kind of squeaking in through the other foliage. So you can see how simply that went together. Just to tighten up the center, I'm going to come in with one more piece of the Israeli ruscus and just tighten that center up so that as it would go through your delivery system, that it would go to the customer in the shape that you wanted it to be. So here you can see how easy that was. I hope that you'll try these oval vases and create some fabulous florals.